Alright, this is part 2 of this snowstorm. I had to put my phone away because my mom thought it was gonna get wet. Now, no, it's not. Oh, freak! Why does this smell better? Oh my gosh. Man, this sucks. I'm just showing you. Oh. Let me get up there. My gosh, man, I hate it. This isn't even snow. This is freaking ice. The freak? Ah! Why does that hurt? I'm gonna have to use my phone. No, I'm just. Ah! I just used my elbow. Why am I doing this for? Oh, frick. Okay. I don't want to show this at all. Come on over here. Wait, what's that? Hold on. Wait a minute. Oh, no way. No way. No way. No way. Oh, frick. I just got hit with a freaking tree. No way! It's a snowman! The little frosty snowman. Oh my gosh. And he does some questionable activities. Anyway, let's fix this guy up. Because he is not looking in shape. Let's help him. We start with the twig. Put it right there. Then have that. How did they make this? What the freak? This. I don't know who made this. Like, actually, I didn't even make this. Okay. Yeah, this. It's big. Yeah, I don't think that would work. Just give him some more head. Some more head. Some more head buff. Like his head's a bit bigger. Let's do the sprinkles. You know what? Let's do the sprinkles. I'm dropping it all over me. What the I'm going back to my Oh my god. There's no way that allows snow. Like, what the freak? Like, this is crazy. I didn't know this. Like, bro, this is absurd. Bro, look how smooth. Oh my god. This is crazy. Back over here. This is crazy. I'm gonna write my name. Bro, I messed it up. Get this out of here. That does not look like a T, but I'm gonna make it look like the E. Dang it! Freaking about fall over.